Alrighty folks, welcome back. In this video we are reinforcing the rear end. That is why it's out of the car. Basically what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be welding on the tubes onto the case right here. And I'm also going to be welding a tube, like roll cage tubing, right here. And then it's going to come up over the top of the case, welded to the case, and down here on the other side just for more reinforcement. I do not have the money to replace this diff currently, so I'm trying to make this last. Hopefully that behemoth does not break it. That's what the pipe is over in the press over here. I'm gonna heat her up and squeeze it. Back here, I'm starting to stitch this pipe on this diff. This is what we're looking like here. I already stitched that side. I came around on this side here and welded this tube on. I'm going to be welding this here. I just got that weld, a weld here, weld over there, and to finish the tube this side too. I went halfway around the tubes. They don't look too bad. Alright, and we are back with the finished product. So everything is welded here nicely. Tubes are welded very nicely. Buzz a nice thing on there. And it's welded on the bottom as well. So I'm hoping this will strengthen the diff enough to at least survive. I'm going to finish this video off by showing you guys a shot of it in the car and how it's going to look. And after that, that's going to be it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.